Want your iPhone or iPad running smoothly? In this video, we review Tenorshare iCareFone, its features, pros and cons, and whether it's worth it. Part 1. What's Tenorshare iCareFone? Tenorshare iCareFone is an iOS management tool and iTunes alternative. It helps transfer, backup, and organize photos, music, videos, contacts, and messages with ease. Compatible with Mac and Windows, it's a handy choice for smooth iPhone data management. Part 2. Pros and cons of Tenorshare iCareFone. Pros: wide features, beginner-friendly, fast transfers, cleans junk, boosts performance, backup and restore, fixes common iOS issues. Cons: advanced features may confuse, trial limited, full access requires purchase. Part 3. How to use Tenorshare iCareFone. Backup: connect device backup and restore select files. Backup. Manage: connect device, manage, import to device, export to PC. Part 4. Is Tenorshare iCareFone safe? Backup: connect device backup and restore select files. Backup. Manage: connect device, manage, import to device, export to PC. Part 5. Best alternative to Tenorshare iCareFone. If Tenorshare iCareFone doesn't meet your needs, you can consider Mobikin Assistant for iOS as a great alternative. This software offers a variety of features to help you manage and transfer data between your iOS devices and computers seamlessly. Transfer and manage iPhone or iPad data using Assistant for iOS. Step 1. Connect your iPhone or iPad to your computer using a USB cable. Launch Mobikin Assistant for iOS, and your device will be detected. Step 2. Choose the type of data you want to transfer, for example, contacts, photos, music. Select the files you need and click the Export or Import option. Step 3. Use the software to organize, delete, or back up your files as needed. You can also restore data from backups at any time.